While OEM air filters are really good and the OEMs are really good at what they do, they are super restrictive and does not really offer all the high flow, and especially when you want to clean it, you really have to chuck them away because they are all made to be used only one time and to be replaced every now and then. But if you're going out on longer drives, this might be something of an issue, and if you have a really high flow air filter like this from N-Gage, that is the hyperflow air filter, all you would need is something like an air filter cleaning liquid, which might be hard to source. Fortunately, whether you have BMC, whether you have N, whether you have N-Gage, or whether you have DNA, any sort of aftermarket air filters, you can go with the amazing air filter recharge kit. Well, this one has two parts to it. One is a cleaning liquid and the other one is a recharge liquid. The first one out here, the blue one, basically is used to wash away all the dirt, grime, and all the excess grime which is lying as a residue on top of your air filter. Basically, you end up finding a lot of bits of this and that whenever you take the air filter out, and you will be surprised as to what and all you can get to see. Finally, you need the air filter recharge oil to recharge the air filter and to make it as effective as it could be. Get yours now at HTRZ Mods, for this is the perfect way to recharge your rides.